right, guys, we're here today at doityourself.net. We're going to be talking about how to install a wall-to-wall closet with the rod holders. Today we're going to put up a two-shelf system. It's a split system, long dresses, sports coats, pants, whatever. There's lots of options you can do. You can design your own. So we'll get started. First thing I do, this is the kit. It's a 2-bracket shelf kit. I love my project tray. You need to get you one of them on the on the website. We're not going to need any drywall anchors today because everything's going into studs. I've already pre-marked the walls so you didn't have to get bored to death. I like 74 inches from the floor. I'll have one. All right. Since I only have 1 point, I've got to measure. There you go. Easy peasy. So now we got to go cut some wood. All right, boards are cut. Now we're going to mark the holes for our rod holders. You measure 3 inches in, okay? That's going to give you where you want this rod holder. All right, leaves plenty of room for the bracket. The rod holder has a center line mark, and that's where the screw's going to be, in the center line of the part from this edge. So that'll help you. Then you just go in there and you mark, and that's exactly where you want to put your screw. So when you screw this on, this edge will be flush with the front. Looks really nice. And if you put a trim on it, it even looks better. That'll line up your front of your rod holder with the front of the shelf. So it's a little guide tool for you. I'll get these drilled, and we'll show you how to put them on there. Got our holes drilled. Now we're going to put the shelves up permanently. Now we're going to put our anchor screws in. That gives the shelf stability. They're little pan head screws. Got another trick for you. You take your magnet, if you put it on your drill bit, your screw won't fall off. Now, here's the key. You're going to put one of the ones that go on the end, and you're going to allow, it has to be able to pivot. I should have worn my cowboy boots. You got to add your other two, or you'll be taking it out. Just kind of slide that in there. I like to come in here and put my middle one in next. Then I know it's not going to fall on my foot. Here we go. Now you want to anchor your rod. We're going to slide around. When you buy your rod holders, it comes with a self-drilling screw. It'll just drill through everything. Takes a little bit of pressure. There you go. This board could have been made out of 3/4 inch veneered plywood. The problem is it's actually cheaper. The problem is you see the veneer. You just buy some of these at your local store, a little trim, hide it. You can really personalize it. So this is the bottom shelf, same way. I put the trim higher than the board, acts as a lip. Display your shoes. There's no way you can have a metal closet that looks this good. The painters just come in and spray everything white, and then the finishers can come in and put the glossy edges on their stuff. Just paint everything. I probably wouldn't put the rod up because you don't want to paint on your rod, but you could do a whole house. If I was doing a house, I would cut me a board, and that's how I would set my height. So I wouldn't even bring out a tape measure. So all you need to do is measure boards in the kit. Tells you, once you have your A dimension, which is wall to wall, the kit will tell you how much to subtract off each item. So anyway, it's a real simple, easy kit, but it's far better appearance than wire shelving. All right, thank you.